Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here. So earlier today, I posted a video of these leaked photos that you are seeing right here of the Google Pixel 3 XL. And a lot of people were upset about the notch that you are seeing right here in the front display on top of the device. And I am 100% with you guys. I am no fan of the notch. I have no idea why Google has to do this. They make fun of Apple for doing it, but then they want to go and copy them. And yeah, I don't know. I don't think they know what they want to do. But yes, the notch is here. And we also got that thick chin on the bottom. But some more live hands-on photos have leaked. So let's take a look at them. The first one is the front of the device. And yes, the notch is still there. So yes, it looks like the notch is here to stay. Why, Google? Why are you doing this to us?
Why?
But yeah, guys, the notch is here to stay, and we also got that thick chin down at the bottom, but it is because they are putting a speaker down there. We got two front-firing speakers, a dual camera setup up on the top located inside the notch of the device. So yes, this is the front of the device, and if you are wondering just how thick the notch and the chin are, we have a photo right here by OnLeaks showing us the dimensions of the notch and the chin, and in my opinion, they do look pretty thick and unattractive. I don't know why they are doing this, but as far as that dual camera setup goes, I'm sure it's going to be for better selfies and also for an upgraded Face ID. But let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the device. Okay, so here, honestly, I don't think the back of the device looks as bad as the front, but I really wish they wouldn't have put a camera hump where the camera is at. I mean, come on, if Samsung can pretty much make their camera pretty much flush with the back of their device, I mean, why can't Google do that as well? But they do got the fingerprint sensor there as well, and it is also said that the entire phone is going to be made of glass. So this might mean wireless charging, or maybe not, who knows? We're just gonna have to wait and see. But yes, the top glass is going to be a polished glass, and the rest of the back of the device is going to be like a brushed metal finish. And, you know, like I said, it looks okay, but I mean, if Google is going for one of the worst looking devices of 2018, they're pretty much hitting this one out of the ballpark. I really wish they would have went with a better design. But yes, we also got a look at the top of the device, the bottom. You can see the charging port there, and also the sides of the device as well. Now, other rumors, like I mentioned earlier, are going to be, it's going to have 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and a 6.2-inch display. Now, like I said in my previous video, this is a prototype, but I'm pretty sure we can expect the phone to stay like this. I'm pretty sure Google isn't going to make any changes. But you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. What do you think of these new, clearer images that we are seeing here? I would love to know your thoughts, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you leave a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber already, and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. You guys, thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.